Hi everybody. Anyone who watches me routinely knows that I am a planner nerd and love planners and love washi tape and love the whole 9 yards. So anyway, I have this washi tape collection and it's outgrowing this box. So I do want to empty that out, get everything in there. I will put everything that I have here with the exception of the washi tapes, but this organizer is a spinny one, and this is the Deflecto organizer. I'll put that down in the description bar. I did want to show you, I was keenly disappointed when I got this because I went over every washi tape, tackle box, anything I could find that I thought would work. And what happened was the big rolls don't fit. As you can see, they just don't fit. They don't fit laying down, they don't fit standing up, the door won't close. So these are going to go in this organizer. And so I may have to take a couple of things out of that. Now I also have mini washis that I had in that organizer that I forgot about because I couldn't see them. So they're going to also go in here. And regular size washi that you get at the dollar store, this is a dollar store roll, they fit. So if you're at the dollar store and you're buying washi tape, I never spend a lot of money on washi. You don't have to. I think I've purchased washi just a couple of times, but I am going to dump all this out. Okay, so the first thing I thought I would do is put my favorite stuff in the front. I do want to show you very quickly how this works. This here is one of the rollers. You just pop them out and you put your washi tape on that, and then you put it back in. Now I'm going to leave this out because I am going to put larger washis that don't fit in here. I'm going to see what I have left when I get done loading this up, and then we'll see. Rolls that are too big are obviously going to have to go elsewhere. I'll take this out and we'll start one drawer at a time. I don't want to load these all the way to the back. I just want to load them as much as necessary to use these washi tapes up. Okay, these have been out in air, so I'll use those up. Let's see about all my thin ones. I have a bunch of thin, skinny ones that I do want to keep together. Some of them are almost used up. None of these are going to fit. I have this washi tape from, I have this set from Me and My Big Ideas. That one's, and this one are both from Walmart. And this is too big, so that's going to go in there. These are perfect size, but I think I'm going to leave them in their container maybe. I'm not positive. I got to start using this stuff, so. And I got these little ones from Amazon, but I think I should put all the little tiny stuff together. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So we'll put this little tiny tapes. I love little tiny tapes. These came in a subscription box just like that, and I'm going to move all these little tiny washis out of this drawer and into this one. Now I did want to take everything out of the boxes so that I would start using them. So I'm going to put these in the bottom, and I think I might end up having more washi tape than I realize. Now, although I did spend a little bit of extra money on some of these things, you don't have to. Just go look for this brand. It's Tape Reuben. Now, if you see this on sale for like $15 a roll, don't buy it. It's a dollar store tape. And people do, I've seen it, people do get this dollar store stuff, and then they sell it on the internet because people are like, ooh, that's a pretty design. I think I'll, spend all my money on crap. And we don't want that. These fabric tapes are not going to fit. Let's see, what else do I have here? I have a lot of loose stuff too. Now on the skinny, if I want to keep all the skinnies together, then I have to lay some on their side just to hold the whole bunch up. It may not be necessary though, because I do have a couple of these little duct tapes that I got from Walmart. Yowza. Make my job hard. I wonder if all the skinnies should... Now see, here's the thing. I'll probably reorganize this entire thing. I'm going to move them all into this second row. The top row is technically going to be the row that I pick washes from first. So this way, these are all moved into that row. I have more skinny tape, but it's twice as wide as that. And so, crap, where do I want to put all this stuff? Let's see, this won't fit. Nope. Okay, that's one down. These will fit. Jeez, I have more than I want to have. Let's see, these are both duct tape. And I duct, like literally, this is sticky as duct tape. I'm going to put that in the second drawer. And this is from Planners Anonymous. I got a box as a gift from Michael's. It wasn't a freebie. It was literally a gift card I used to get this tape. I do want to keep all of these together just because, and by the way, these are the smallest washi tape rolls I've ever seen in my life, but they're all kind of coordinated, so this may be more difficult than I think. Let's put those back there. We'll put the duct tape brand ones back there. That's really pretty. This came in a foiled set. I'll leave them together. This is a Recollections washi tape. I got it at Michael's a long time ago and never used it because I'm that person. Ooh. I don't know how you open this. This thing is theft proof and it is opening proof. I did buy this, like, why can't I get this off? Let's see if I can not stab myself. These things are on sale at Michael's and they come in varying lengths of, there we go. They come in varying lengths of tubes, and I got this one because it was more affordable than the giant tube. So yeah, this is all beautiful. I am going to put all of this together in here. Yep, there we go. I have more washi than I thought I did. I think I'm going to add a couple to this, couple of my absolute favorites, and that would be the book one, and there's a beauty one, and there's the other beauty one. I've been trying to use that one up. The rest of them are very utilitarian, so I do want to put my favorites where I can see them right away. Okay, this is not my favorite. We'll put that to the back. It's really great for planner though, because they're like block size. I think I have another one somewhere, but I just have to remember that it's there. Let's see what else. These are not favorites. They can go back here. These are duct tape brand. They can go back there. So now I have 2 rows. And I can fit these 2 back there. I just have to remember to grab them. And you know what? I'm going to put these here just so they hold up those for now, for this next 5 minutes. And I'm going to put these right in the front. I really like these because, and I already used one, but I don't know where it is, because they are varying sizes. So you can see this is not quite as thin as the super thin washi tape is, but these are coordinated to go together. Yeah, I do want them to show, so. And plus little tiny bits of washi like this, I like to use up. Like, I'm not going to want to keep this tape around forever. Okay, so now that is organized. And I'm sure, you know, I mean, it's not full. I don't want it to be full. Hello, I don't want to buy more stuff. I want to use up what I have first. Washi tapes do dry up. So in the bottom of this one, the bottom drawer, I'm going to put oddball stuff. Like, here's an extra sharpener for my Fisker paper cutter. Here is a wavy scissor that I like to use when I cut things out. Let's just get rid of that. Here is a paper slicer that I use pretty often when I print my own stickers, because I do not have a cry cut and I don't want to get a cry cut, so it's never going to happen. Alright, so now I just have to move things around from here into there. So what I'm going to do is anything that I have to move, I will put in the bottom drawer. Now, these do pull forward, and they have a squared off end on them. And these blades are very sharp, so you have to be really super careful. Wait, did this fit? I don't think it's going to clear the top, so no, we're not going to have that as a fit. I can fit more than one on here, so these are going to leak glitter everywhere, but guess what? I don't care. Anyway, it's more craft tape than washi tape, but I've been using it as a washi substitute. So anyway, I wonder if I should try to fit, nah. So we'll just put that there. Okay, I have a few more left. These are fabric tape, and I really like these, and I've used these before. Alright, so let's move my least favorites. Alright, this brown is not a favorite for me. It does have a coordinating thing. And these two I'll put together. Two are rolled out the right way. See if I can fit these right next to the other ones. Yep, okay. So I will give these two, which I'll never use, to my daughter. And she'll enjoy these, maybe. If not, then they'll find a good use for them because they're useful. I'm not a fan of black. The only time I like it is like Halloween. I like to put black and orange, but I already have a little black roll for that. And who knows, I might end up picking up a Halloween type set. Alright, so that is all that. And that does fit. You know what, they can even lay in the middle. I think I'll do that. Put the fabrics in the middle of the Oh, another helpful hint here, guys. Don't carry this by the handle. When it's really loaded up, what'll happen is the post will come out. It happened to me once and I dropped my washi all over. So yeah, so anyway, I think that's the best I can do for now. I'll be using the fabrics more for card making and stuff than for you know, planner stuff. But you can see I got rid of a ton of packaging, and so that brings me down to this and this, which I'm going to leave in the case until they're gone. So yeah, so they're like pretty perfect size. Like, they're not real fat washi. They're very thin washi, and I don't want to pop those out and put them in the, oh yeah, really could, but this is a cutter, and you know, it's not one that's made to last, but it is a cutter, and that's going to be handy to use when I am planning. So that is that, guys. I took care of everything. Awesome. Oh, you know what? Let me put this ribbon back in here. Oops. You know, since I'll be using a lot of washi tape for card making, birthday cards and all kinds of stuff, sometimes I have a little package of something I've made, and I'll put it in a package, and dog hair, and use the elastic with the bow on it. So I'm fairly satisfied. I will probably move things around a little bit, but I just wanted to let you know, when you buy this thing, it is Deflecto. I took the cover off just because a lot of people complained that they were broken when they arrived, and I didn't want that to be the case with me. This did fit over the handles, and it's Deflecto. I'll link it down below. Just know that only your standard washi tapes will fit in it. These are standard size. They came from the dollar store. These are standard size. They came from Michael's. Anything larger than that, like just this for an example, is not going to fit. It'll be too tall. And so, you know, make sure that you have an alternate plan for anything that won't fit. All right, this works really well. Of course, it's on a bed, so it's not very level, which is causing the drawers not to close right. But yeah, it's very handy. It's got most of my stuff in it, and now I feel a lot more organized. This was really successful. This is going to sit up on a bookshelf so I can see all the washi tape I have. It'll be easy for me to pull drawers out, and then this becomes a useful thing again instead of being covered with washi tape. So now it's going to be definitely useful. And I'll be, you know, using up these smaller rolls that I have here so that I can put these rolls on. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I kind of like everything, and I don't always use this thing. I do take it out when my office is put together and organized, which it's not. So I'll be working on that. It's embarrassingly messy, and that's why I'm in here. I don't want to share that with you guys. Oh, yeah, and there are holes in this from the dog. And it's old, so it's time for it to be replaced. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to try to speed it up in sections where it seems like it's long. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really do help me, because it makes my video more visible to other YouTubers to view. And I really appreciate it if you can do that for me. So anyway, thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.